How to use Gemini AI. To do that, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Open up Google and search Gemini, and here you will find this one, which is the official AI by Google. Simply click on this. Log in with your account if you have logged in. I have already logged in. So after that, you will see this kind of interface on your screen, and here inside chat you will find a couple of options here. So the first one is canvas, which can create docs and apps for you. So simply click on this, and once you click on it, you will see different kind of things popping up right here. According to your preference, you can make a quiz app, write an essay, make a study plan. So let's try it out. Simply, if I click on this, now let's see how this app would work. Here it will start to write that code, and here you will find the preview section as well once the code generation is completed. And there are a couple of other options as well. Let's give it some time, and now it will automatically switch to the preview. And now this is the quiz app. As per the result, I think Gemini AI has done a quite good job. Now let's head to the next part, which is the deep research. Simply go and click on it. Now the deep research requires going and sending files onto Gemini. Also, you can click on this button and ask Gemini AI about anything. Now here it will use a deep research engine and respond according to that. Now here is the add files option as well, that you can go and upload file from your desktop or mobile, and these are the three main options that you will find in Google Gemini. Also, you can use microphone, so simply go and click on it, and once you click on it, it will change to listening, and you can ask Gemini AI by simply giving voice prompts. And on the left side bar, you can explore your chat's history, and under settings you'll find this apps option, saved info, activity, different kind of option, themes as well. So if we click on apps, it will take you to this page, and you can go and you can enable Gemini AI on all of these Google apps, YouTube as well. Well, that's how you can go and use Gemini AI. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.